Hello, Mom. I want to tell that I am very happy in this new city. Mom, I want to show you my house, my new routine with my family, and show you something of the beautiful city. I live in a house that has 3 floors. The first floor is my workplace. It is small but so warm and comfortable. Here I have all necessary elements to work as a photographer. On the wall there are different scenes that customers can choose for their photo. There is a computer in which I fix the photos to printer in the photography printer, and behind these elements I adapted a place where I take the photos. On the second floor there is a hot kitchen, and next to it there is a dining room. Also, there is a living room where I share wonderful moments with my family. Here for you, there is a TV table with a vase of flowers and some pictures on the wall to decorate the room. Besides, there are 2 bedrooms, one for my little son and the other for my husband and I. My bedroom is a big room, and it is painted in color white and pink. In the center of my bedroom there is a large bed, and next to the bed is a bedside table. There is a closet to the left of my bed and a tablet with a computer and other elements to study. In front of my bed on the wall there is a large TV. Finally, on the 3rd floor, 3 bedrooms, and in front of these bedrooms there is a laundry drying yard where there is a washing machine. My house is between a small store and drugstore. In front of my house there is the main part, and behind of it there is a green place where people enjoy green times. During the week, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have a cup of coffee and 2 loaves of bread for breakfast to eat when my son Manuel will leave for his school. At 7 in the morning, I take a shower and dress. In summer, I wear lycra pants, blouses, and sandals. Finally, I comb my hair and make up. At 7:03, I fix my house. At 8:30, I go to work in my little photography shop. At 12, I arrive to my house to prepare the lunch for me and my children, and at 12 in the afternoon we meet to have lunch. Then I wash the crockery and fix the kitchen. At 1:40, go back to my workplace. At 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I return to my home to prepare the dinner. And at 6 o'clock, my children and I have dinner. Next, we talk about what happened to us during the day. After that, at 7:03, I check my son's homework for the school, and I devote to study in my computer until midnight. Finally, I go to bedroom to sleep. The city of Florida is quiet. Its people are friendly. Most of the time we are in summer. It has a beautiful playground near our house. Also, is a boutique where they sell beautiful clothes. And life in this city is very cheap. This city is small but very welcoming. Mom, I hope you visit me so you can know my new life better. Greetings to all. Goodbye. I love you.